guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some stuffed pasta shells with crab meat. I know it looks super messy, but I know for a fact that it's going to taste really good. So today I'm using two types of pasta sauce, which is rosé and also spicy tomato and parmesan sauce. I've lined the bottom of my pan with the spicy tomato and parmesan sauce. I've also added some tomatoes and some onions and some red onions and a little bit of cilantro to my sauce as well. Then I've gone ahead and added my pasta shells with the stuffed crab meat inside to the top of the pasta sauce. Now for my pasta shells, I'll have the link in the description box below to the pasta shells that I used. All I did was boil it for 14 minutes until they were soft and cooked. And then in terms of my crab meat, I used 3 tins of crab meat, and to season it, I used some parsley flakes, chili, MSG, salt, Caribbean spice and roasted garlic seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and some chili. I'm not sure if I already said that, but those are the ingredients that I used, and if you want the measurements, they're in the description box below. In terms of vegetables, I used some celery, red onions, actual regular onions, tomatoes, and some cilantro, and then I'm just stuffing them inside of my pasta shell and putting them as a layer on top of the pasta sauce itself, sort of like how you would do a lasagna. I love lots of sauce in all of my food. So, of course, it's up to you how much sauce you add to your dish, but as you can see, there's lots of sauce in mine. So I'm just gonna continue to repeat this process of stuffing my shells, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next because I am gonna add a layer of delicious cheese. So now at this point, I finished my first layer of pasta shell, and I've added some more pasta sauce over top of those shells, and now I'm just grating some cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. At this time, I'm using a mixture of cheddar with habanero, and also some marble cheese, and also some ricotta, and I'm just going to finish this layer, and I still have some more crab and some pasta shells to do, and I'm gonna add that layer over top of this. So now that I've lined my tray with my ricotta cheese, my cheddar habanero cheese, my marble cheese, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it off with my remainder of shells. So now I'm done my last layer. I didn't have enough crab to finish the entire second layer, but I did about half of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my rosé sauce now to the top of it. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I just took it out of the oven. I baked it for about 40 minutes at 375 degrees and I plated it. I can't wait to eat it as usual. That's probably my favorite part. It looks so yummy.